Alright, today is September 5th and we are beginning phase 2 of our Rock the Rhine cycling adventure. Alright, we're about to take a ferry across the river to the German side of the river. That was like the world's shortest ferry ride. Waiting for the ferry again. We're going to take our second ferry of the day back over to the French side of the river. Today is day, I forgot what day it is. We're just leaving Lautenberg, Germany. Destination to be determined. Today is one of those days where we're just trying to get from point A to point B. It's kind of just agricultural and some industry. We went by the Mercedes-Benz factory, but very pleasant riding still. We are here in Speyer at the Technology Museum, and I'm inside a submarine. Here's the submarine from the outside. It was hotter than heck inside there. Anybody who knows me knows I don't like heights much. And I'm going to climb up a bunch of stairs to get into this 747 that's on display. So yeah, I'm going to see how this goes. Alright, don't look down, just keep walking, keep walking. Alright, I pushed out on that one. I got halfway up and I turned around and came back down. I don't need to go up there. We have just left Speyer and the Technic Museum behind. And now we're on the road again. Yeah, not only is it raining, it's also hailing on us. And it kind of hurts. Yeah, it kind of hurts. Alright, we had to seek shelter. And we're going to wait this out. Found our campsite. Got into my tent. And now it stopped raining. But yeah, we're going to hang tight here and try to find some food to eat and that kind of good stuff. And we are here in Alps, Germany. Is this Germany or France?
Germany today.
Had quite a bit of rain overnight. As you can see, there's a lot of puddles and things like that, but we were nice and dry in our tents. Proving to be another one of those get from point A to point B type days. Nothing really too inviting to look at, but the weather's good for pedaling, that is. We're here in Worms, or I'm assuming the Germans say Worms. Seen a lot of this kind of stuff today. Just pulling into a campground, about to see what the facility looks like. Well, the camping place didn't work out because it was a club, and we're not in the club, so now we're on the quest to find a hotel. I'm here in Oppenheim, Germany, and we finally got a place to stay for the night. We rode around on our bikes up a steep hill. Found a pretty cute little guest house. So I got this room for 40 euros, which is about $40, and really nice actually. Small, but got a cool shower and nice little quaint little village type setting. Guten Morgen, day 14 of Rock the Rhine starts right now. Beautiful day. We finally got some blue sky. First we've seen in about 4 days. And things are looking good. We just had our coffee and a strudel. So yeah, I'm going to have a good day today, I think. We've noticed here that they put the railroad crossing guards down about 5 minutes before the train shows up. You have to be very patient, which most drivers seem to be patient, but us Americans, not so much. It's a beautiful morning today. We are just entering into the town of Mainz. Fairly quiet on a Saturday morning though, and beautiful day, no clouds, no threat of rain, no wind. Really perfect.
Nein, der ist drüber.
All right, we're here in Bacharach, Germany, right on the Rhine River. We got a really great camping spot. They were sold out, but the camp host here was real nice and gave us a spot right here under a tree right near the river. So we scored totally. And there's beer and a restaurant, and my laundry is being done by a nice German lady at the moment. So all is good. And we rode 49 miles today. So we're on track to get to Amsterdam on time. Guten Morgen. It is Sunday, September 9th, I believe, and we are here in Bacharach, Germany. Just leaving, we just hit the bakery, had some coffee, which was the weakest coffee so far. It's hard to believe, weak coffee in Germany. Well, I can tell we're going to be stopping a whole bunch today. There's so much stuff to take pictures of. Castles on every corner, and it's very scenic. So yeah, my battery will probably be going dead soon. Not mine, the camera, that is. Yeah, there's a lot of RVs here. Seems to be quite popular. Past the castle area now, and things are kind of flattening out a bit, which is a good sign. We've been making good progress. We're just moving through Koblenz, still in Germany, and the sun has come out, and it's really very nice out. This is Koblenz. It's very beautiful. The sun is out. There's a lot to look at here. Of course, there's 10 zillion people as well. Getting through Koblenz was a little of a challenge. There was tons of people, tons of traffic. And now we got some open space again. We're here in Rhine, Germany, and it was really damp overnight, just a lot of dew, so our tents are pretty soaked. Only got less than 300 miles to Amsterdam, so we're actually ahead of schedule. Benedict, what do you have to say this morning?
Was ist denn los, Herr Gram? Another day, another kilometer.
We are just on the outskirts of Bonn, Germany. So the traffic and density of humans has been picking up. Definitely a lot of cycle tourists on this route. You don't go more than about 5 minutes before seeing somebody going the other way. And we spent the last hour getting lost and getting unlost. And now we're just entering into Köln or Cologne, depending on where you're from. And we should be at the campground in hopefully about 15 minutes.